Gentlemen, welcome to our channel. Today we are unboxing the Samsung SHERIF, and that's how it's going to be, and that's how it's supposed to be. So once you open from the top, you can cut these ties if you want. We'll find the legs for them and the wire connection control, right? That's like preventing wires from spreading. That's the wire, the cable, and the remote also. Very nice. Tell our subscribers to subscribe and press the notification button, and tell them in your language. No, man, I told you what to do last time. Yeah, you just remove the box, okay? Okay, so they had forgotten, but apparently you just remove the box after opening this. So you put this in the box. So once you put the box there, you have to put back the thermopole like that. For any TV, that's the best way to install the TV. Just put this also. Last. Now it means you have support.
Very nice, huh?
Very nice, huh?
Very nice.
Sure? I don't know. But it will be 4K. It will be 4K.
No.
QLED. Sorry, QLED. And some of you might be asking where the HDMI will go. I'll show you in a meanwhile. So the HDMI and all the wireless connections will be here. Will come here. Just remove there.
Plastic.
That's where this is where the connections will be. So for HDMI's, 2 USBs, and satellite and antenna, and then comes with the optical. So the stands, it's easy to install. You just turn them using your hands. You don't need plier, you don't need screwdriver. Make sure they are tight like that, as he has done. I'm checking.
उल्टा घुमाओ.
In sack. Look at what he's doing. Okay, now the professional comes in. Like that, in sack. Okay, just put back the cover. Yeah, just put the cable first.
This is on cable, huh?
That is cable.
Cable also. Remove.
Baba, just tear the cables here.
Cable very nice, huh?
Cable very nice. Okay, tell people to subscribe to our channel. Bolo.
बोलो नेपाली में बोलो.
Tell them in Nepali to subscribe to our channel. Tell them our channel Achai. Kindly subscribe to our channel in your language. The other side, na. This side, bro. Here. Oh man, are you okay?
This one or?
Okay. So just pass the wire there. Okay, just put on this thing. You know where it is? Where it goes? Open. No, just pass it this side because the cable's here. Just put the cable. Bring.
केबल दे दो उसका नहीं 5 का अंदर दे दे
Do it. You are brilliant, eh? Okay. Okay, then cover this thing. Yeah, subscribers, we love you so very much. Very, very much.
Where?
No problem. Alas.
Okay.
Okay. Yalla. Lift karo.
Lift? Lift.
Inside, careful. Yalla, let's go. No problem. We'll put it later. Lift. So that's how it is when it stands. So this will be the remote. This is its remote. We are going to install it right now. To install the settings, the remote comes like this. You have to remove this thing, this one. So then only the remote will start. So apparently it's in back, so we'll have to pair the remote. Colors, remote is paired. But let's change to the language which I understand, and most of you, my subscribers, which you understand. That will be the English language. We'll use the remote. We're not using the smartphone, because once you use the smartphone, it will ask you the Samsung account and so on and so forth. So I'm not putting any of this. I'll just try to skip. Still, I'll skip. No broadcast. No. Later. And there we are starting our Samsung shelf. The shelf. So since we understand, I'll just put the demo mode. By the way, I haven't told you that you guys, I love you so much. Thanks for supporting our channel. I love you very, very much. Kindly subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed. Please press the notification button, the bell above. You'll get the latest unboxes and latest technology. Ask any questions, it will be answered on this channel also. And there we are. This is, ladies and gentlemen, that's our Samsung, the shelf. Till next time, thank you so very much for watching our video. We love you so very much. I love you so very much.